This was a quick experiment I did to test the range capabilities of my 5.8 GHz video system. My main objective here was to mount my FPV system on one side of the road, then bike as far as I could without losing connection with the transmitter. I started off by mounting this bottle thing from my previous video that houses all my FPV gear, such as a 200mW transmitter, a $10 FPV camera, a 1000 mAh battery, and last but not least this cheap circular polarized antenna that I got for $5. I mounted this bottle on top of a pole that stands roughly 2 meters off the ground. I did this in order to get the transmitter as high as I could off the ground and keep it clear of any obstruction. Next, I began my road trip down a 5-kilometer road which seemed like forever. Alright, so we have arrived here 15 or so minutes later, and our FPV system's all the way at the very end. That's roughly a 5-kilometer stretch or so. And right now, we're going to plug in everything, make sure everything works, and I'll prove to you guys that a 200mW system is more than capable of going 5 kilometers plus. So here we go. I started out by using one of my homemade 6-turn helical antennas, and I was pleased to say that I still had a healthy amount of signal left over. However, the field of focus for the antenna was limited to 70 degrees or so, meaning that if the antenna wasn't pointed in the direction of the transmitter, I didn't have signal at all. Next, I decided to try this mini patch antenna from Fat Shark, which I knew was a high quality antenna. It fared pretty well, and my field of focus was greatly extended, and I was able to receive signal even though my antenna wasn't directly pointed at the transmitter. This test made me come to the realization that to go far distances, you don't need such a high-powered transmitter. Everything is all dependent on your surroundings and what type of antennas are being used. Next, I'll plan on purchasing a 25mW system to see what range I could push out of it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye.